So a few days ago, I was delivering to a Costco in Van Nuys in Southern California, and it definitely was one of the more tougher backs that I've ever backed into. Now, on a normal day, this is probably just fine. All right, so this is the dock I was asked to go into. Now, there was no truck parked here, but there was all these pallets here were all stretched out over here, and there was I think there was a van parked right here. And yeah, I think they were all the way over here. Just like I looked at it and like, well, it's going to take every inch that I can get. Um, yeah, so I started off being parked right here, and yeah, and I had to maneuver around somebody here, but basically it means that I had to come in from this angle here. Yeah, yeah, there was like forklifts that were parked, and it was just stretching out all the way over here. So let's go ahead and watch me make an attempt at that on my simulator. So we're going to alter this just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put a truck and trailer here instead of the pallets, but basically giving me the exact same amount of obstacles that I have to get into. Now, this may not, I might take a few shots at this, meaning as in like I'll have to do some pull forwards, and there's nothing wrong with a few pull forwards. All right, so let's go ahead and set myself up. Now, I'm looking at this like a bit of an extreme parallel park. Okay, so I'm going to use the area over here. There was a lot more cars when I was doing it because it was 10 o'clock at Costco. So definitely a lot more cars. Okay, so roughly, okay, I'll start more. Let's go ahead and start backing up. Now I'm going to get my trailer kind of missing this guy right here, and then pointing towards 12, roughly. All right, let's take a look. Can we zoom in more? Well, that's probably, yeah, let's go. Now I'm going to be using a lot of the area. Okay, I think that'll do. All right, because I remember missing him just by a little bit. All right, so I got to make sure I have room over here because the front of my truck is going to have to dip over there. Let's go ahead and straighten myself up. Okay. Slow is the key. Now, at this particular point, I'm looking at the whole situation. And I'm like, I'm not going to make this. There's not a hope in hell I'm making it because I'm looking in this mirror and I can't even see 12. All right, never mind how am I going to get into 13. But I got out and looked and everything was possible. Okay, so I do believe, let's say, I think we're going to need to start turning now. All right, so I'm going to turn the steering wheel to the left. All right, because I want the front of the trailer to go to the left. All right, so the front of the truck's going to go to the right, but eventually to the left. But all right, I think we can turn more, a lot more. Yeah, a lot more, a lot more, a lot more. Okay, roughly. Yeah, I'm going to start chasing around now. Let's take a look. I'm going to keep it going. No, it needs to go more. All right, that's rough. That's roughly. I think I'm happy with that. Now, again, I think I got out and looked like two more times since then, since my first time. I think this is good. This looks like it could be good. Now I'm gonna have to start jackknifing in the other direction. All right, well to the right. My main goal now. This is kind of I have to get really close to here. All right. Now I am back. I'm actually backing downhill now, so it kind of looks a little disorientated. All right. So let's back up. All right. And got out and looked again. All right. So now I've got a hard jackknife going. I'm missing this guy for now. All right. And I'm going to start chasing it, but of course I'm going to have to watch out for everything over here on the right because the front of my cab is going to go to the right here. Oh, a bit too soon for that. Too soon. So let's just keep it going for now. Let's just get it in there. All right. All right, it's looking good. I mean, I'm even missing that trailer. I might not even have to do a pull forward. Oh, who am I kidding? I'm going to have to pull forward. Okay. This is fine. We're just going to pull forward, straighten ourselves up. Again, crank the steering wheel all the way to the right so you can straighten up in the shortest distance. All right, there we go. Difficult enough. It's one of my later levels now because it's a recent one. So every time I back up into a tight area or a tight dock, I trace it out and I add it to one of my levels. So there you go. So for those of you who want to actually watch this again, but with all the blind spots turned on, we're going to do the exact same back. All right, but we're probably going to have to get out and look a lot more. All right, so as you can see, this is not the same as the other one. All right, a lot more looking around. And this will be part of the game too. Oh, and yes, I am finding it very difficult to work with Apple and trying to get the game going with them. All right, let's have a look. Let's go ahead and get myself into a straight back, pointing towards roughly where I was before. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. All right, again, straight back is your friend because you get to see everywhere, but except for directly behind you. All right, straight back. Again, slow is the key. Let's take a look. All right, let's start pointing a little bit more towards there. I just want to be missing that trailer by a little bit. All right. So I'm going to start jackknifing now. Yes. And a lot harder, I believe. Oh boy. Oh boy. I can't see anything. Okay, hold on. Let's take a little look what's going on. Okay. Okay. I might be happy with it. We'll see. Probably not, actually. But we're going to... I think I'm pointing too close to the space. I'm just going to do a little pull forward to the left because I want to straighten myself up a little bit better. So when I do finish my jackknife and get myself into a straight back again, I'm in a better position. Let's take a look. Oh, hell no. Okay, that's fine. I can still fix this in reverse because I need to be missing that trailer. Let's take a look now. Okay, perfect. Perfect. That's exactly what I needed. All right, let's get a straight back going. Now we just need to, yeah, this is perfect. I don't think I could have got it any better. Hopefully I won't be eating those words in a second. Okay, slow is the key. All right, now as soon as I start jackknife, I'm going to miss this wall over here. All right, roughly around now is when I'm going to start jackknifing. So I'm pushing the front of the trailer to the right. And see, yeah, see that wall is scaring the crap out of me. Let's take a look. Ah, see, I'm still a good distance away from it. Okay, back in the truck. All right. So jackknifing and nice and hard. And I'll do a pull forward in a second. Let's try here. Okay, it looks like we're doing okay. We're missing the pallets or his trailer. Okay. Oh yeah, I don't have collision. Sorry, I'm not going to be able to I'm not going to be able to pull forward. All right, so I got to do it out here and readjust myself. Okay, maybe it's kind of tough. Okay, so let's try that. And of course, straighten up to miss that over there. Okay, and of course we gotta, man, I got so close to those pallets as well. Extremely close. Like I'm talking inches. All right, and I didn't have to do a bunch of pull forwards. This is actually more like the one that I actually really did. And there we go. I was a little bit too close to the wall, and that was fine. Oops. All right, I think we can manage to back in now with some small maneuvering. There you go. I hope these videos are educational enough for you guys. And you're actually learning. I can't wait for you guys to actually try these simulators. All right, there we go. Anyway, I'm done.